How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 69 Mustang Mach 1 done in the candy apple red. Absolute gorgeous car. It's had a complete rotisserie restoration, clean, all original panel car. Super slick. It's had a few nice upgrades. So all the grill, the bumpers, everything in excellent condition. Got the chin spoiler and everything. Car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got the Magnum wheels. It's got drag radials on the rear. I really like the rear window louvers and deck spoiler, all look real nice on the Mustangs. The rear bumper, all that's been redone. And all the trim and everything on this car is very nice. Just a super nice car. The underside of the car has all been painted. It is shiny black. There's no undercoat, no nothing. Now it's got a 557 stroker motor with Edelbrock aluminum heads, roller cam. It's got power steering. It's been updated with 4-wheel disc brakes. It's got the C6 trans. It's all MSD ignition. 9-inch rear posi. It's all stainless exhaust. A lot of the interior looks to be the original and it's excellent condition. Very nice car. All the jams, everything are real nice. It's a slick paint on this car. This is a show quality car. Got a complete, it's had a magazine article done, nice show board to go with the car, tells all about the car, all the upgrades and things that have been done to the car. Very nice. It's got a retrofit radio with Bluetooth and everything. Very nicely done. Again, it's a 557 stroker, C6 trans. Super cool car. Say, you don't see too many of these Mustangs, Mach 1s especially. It's just a super nice car. And I tell you, that thing gets with it. It's a runner. Get in the car, drive anywhere you want to go. It's got nice gear ratio in it. Just a cool car. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. You can also visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. You can also follow us on Facebook. Got quite a bit of traffic today. Have a great day, folks.